Alright, so my aunt ended up having jury duty. We didn't have enough time to go with the kayak, so we're just gonna unload it and put them away. Alright? Hey, I didn't record anything today, so here's dinner. Alright, we're leaving. Final sweep. We cleaned up, organized the bed, and just gotta make sure we got all our stuff. So, my dad's place also cleaned up. I think we're good. We took all our boxes and stuff out. Time to go. Alright, we're heading out. Here you can see our trip. We're taking I-10. We're going through Luling, Texas, Houston, Texas, and Iowa, Louisiana. Then we'll get to the capital. If we need some charging along the way, we'll do that, but hopefully we'll be good there. Alright, as you can see, it's 11:06 p.m., 85 degrees Fahrenheit outside. We're at 42%. We're going 83 miles. It says we'll arrive with 10%. We'll see how accurate that is. Not much to see right now. It's dark outside. So we got quite a long ways to go, about 500 miles till we get to Louisiana. So yeah. Here you can see more of those overpasses they're still building. And a little bit of the night city with all the little shopping areas. Super large In-N-Out sign behind the Chevys. There you go. Bigger in Texas. So much construction. All these roads and ramps are like blocked. They're having everything worked on. Jeez. I saw a deer off to the side of the road earlier, so I better be a little careful. You never know if a deer's gonna just randomly end up going across the road or jumping out, so I'm gonna have to take it a little slow now. Alright, it's already midnight, but I'll just add this to the end of the video, the charging, and then we will continue with the next day, but I'll add this on even though it's technically the next day. Alright, and you'll see the charging stop. Okay, so far I haven't really seen any more deer along the road, but there were some small little animals. I'll see if I can get a picture or something, or a video. I tried to save it on the camera. I should have saved it on the deer on the camera as well, but yeah. Alright, while I was driving I couldn't really tell what this was, but in the dash cam footage here you can see. I wish there was like a slow motion button, but I don't know if you saw that. It kind of looks like a kitten or something. You see that? Let me try and get a better frame. Alright, there you can see, it looks like a cat or something. I see so many trees on the side here. Since when does Texas have all those trees? I wish it was daytime so I could see better. I've never seen all these trees along the road in Texas. Interesting. Just a bunch of nothingness out here. So far, not really much. We got 8.3 miles to go to the charge stop. It's now 12:17 a.m. and 83 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Not really much here. There's a church. A train crossing coming up.
In 500 feet, turn left onto East Pierce Street.
4.2 miles to the charger. Alright, looks like this charger might actually be
turn left
at another Buc-ee's. Yep. They're still building this one though. You can see a lot of construction going on.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
No, we haven't. We're almost there, but there's the Buc-ee's. And it's saying the chargers are somewhere here. Did they lie to us? I don't see any chargers. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So I don't know what's up with this. It says the chargers are here, right? But as you can see, I'm all the way here, and there are the chargers. So that thing is screwed up. They need to fix that. I've heard some people say they were led to a place with no superchargers. It's not possible because it shows you how many are active. So maybe there's more on the other side as well, and I just didn't really check. So here you can see a bunch of chargers here. All right, there's so much construction going on, so I don't know. I forgot this has self-parking now. I should have used that. Anyways, as you can see, incompetent installation again. They put this in the way. This should be off to the side, and then they should have this over here. Okay, so flipped around and out of the way, but instead they put it here. At least, I mean, it's in the right spot for best optimal reaching, so it's fine. Let's see, hopefully, are these chargers dead? EV charging only, it's lit up. Wake up. What is happening here? Let's try another one. I'm gonna have to unlock it from inside, either that or I'm gonna have to figure out the unlock thing here because it's not doing anything, right? It's dead. Alright. So I'll go in here. Let's go in here, unlock. Turn that white, pull that out. This charger's not working, so let's try another one. Let's try the self-parking. You see that? It has that. This is not open. It's closed. What in the world? Okay, we're gonna press this and start. Let's see, it's driving forward first on its own. Okay, it's backing up. It's turning. Oh, that's not the spot I want. Let me choose the other one because I do not want that parking spot. I want the one with the charger. So I'm gonna have to do it myself now, or go, okay, I need to go closer over here. Which one am I looking at? That's the one I want, right? Start. Let's see if it goes in the right one this time. Okay, we're going. It's turning, it's going. Alright, it's in the spot. Don't back into the charger. It's going forward again, and now it's backing up. Alright. I hope the charger reaches. Am I gonna push the brake? And it did it. There we go. Let's see. Does this charger work, or are all these chargers broken and we're gonna be stranded? It doesn't show up on the map, so these might not be active right now. I mean, they're pretty dinged up, so... Okay, look at this terrible, incompetent charging installation. I'm gonna manually park, and I'm just gonna park wrong, so that, not in the line, so that I can charge. Okay, let's try. I pushed the button and it opened the charger, so... Okay, good, it's starting to charge. That had me worried for a bit. Let's go. Maybe I had to just shove it in and hold it because that charging tip felt a little bit loose. Anyways, you can see the charging speed is going to increase. 200, 211, 227. Wow, it's increasing fast. 250. Are we going to get 255? Well, 252. Okay, so we're going to let it go. 253. And how much do we need to charge to get here? Does it say? It says 55 minutes. Oh, that's for the next one. We'll have to charge 55 minutes. This one tells me 30 minutes to continue trip to get to the next charger. But that means it's not going to charge all the way. I'm going to set it higher. And then I'm going to make sure that this tells me I'll arrive with at least 20%. Okay, because right now it's saying nothing. Alright, so we'll continue our trip later. That's the end of today, even though it's already past the day. Alright, so we'll see you guys when we continue our trip on the next video. Alright, you can see all this construction here. Going to the Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's, they don't have the like windshield wiping scrubby thingies, as you can see. Or maybe, nope, that's just a trash can. What kind of bug is a beetle? I mean a cockroach. It was flying. It flipped. It's upside down. I know people are probably like, why I don't want to see a cockroach. Anyways, Oh, it's all part of the trip. That's what you see. There's lots of little buggies in here. Okay, they have Beaver Believer. And what's that? Is that beaver barbecue sauce? What? Interesting. Okay, let's go inside and use the restroom. If Beaver Believer, brownies, beef jerky, coffee, brisket sandwiches. Interesting. I guess they're working on putting another one of those Bucky statues there on that little pedestal. Right? It said to use the front entrance, so we got to go around. I don't know. Are Bucky's open 24/7? I hope they are. Let's see. Alright, going into Bucky's restroom. And yeah, they're open. Right, so here's this stuff. It says to put it onto the paper and then you wipe, so they get people to clean their toilets for them. And then you have this if you want to clean your hands. And then they have actual sinks outside. See? Plenty actual sinks here. And the sink is automatic. The soap is not. And the paper is automatic. You didn't see this before. They have cookie dough balls. Chocolate pie in a cup and key lime pie. They also have like fudges. What is this? Diesel exhaust fluid. Interesting, never heard of that before. And they got ethanol free gas here. No ethanol in their gas.